Welcome back to another video by Marx Mushrooms. I'm really excited to share this week's recipe with you guys. Today we have an amazing stir fry for you, based around some wood blewits. Now this was my first time eating wood blewits, and I assure you if you ever get the opportunity to get a hold of these, do not hesitate, they are phenomenal. Before we move on to the recipe though, let's talk about the mushrooms we're using today. The king oyster, or king trumpet mushroom, is the largest of the oyster mushroom family. It has a thick, meaty stem and a small tan cap. When cooked, it has a rich umami flavor and a meaty pop. It is great for intestinal health and is understood to have chemicals that stimulate immune activity. Because it's high in fiber, the dietary intake of king oyster mushrooms promotes cholesterol reduction as well. Shiitake mushroom cultivation dates as far back as the Song dynasty in China, making them one of the most identified mushrooms historically grown by humans for consumption or herbalist medicine. They have a rich, earthy flavor. Shiitake have a high water and sodium content, bringing a significant amount of flavor to a sautéed dish. They're rich in vitamin D2, in B vitamins, and have moderate dietary minerals. Traditionally, they're understood to help promote good intestinal, cardiovascular, and immune health. Wood blewit are a foraged mushroom with violet tones to the stem and gills, but can range from lilac to a purple-pink color. Young specimens have convex caps, while more mature tend to have flatter caps. They have a short, stout stem. Wood blewits have a strong, nutty flavor with earthy undertones. Though there are places that do cultivate wood blewits, it's typically understood that cultivated blewits don't have the distinct, strong taste that wild ones possess. We're going to start by dealing with our vegetables. We're going to shave our carrot with a peeler. Our king oysters we're going to cut lengthwise for a meaty bounce. We'll cut our shiitake up, fairly thick. Our smaller blewits we're going to leave whole. The larger ones we'll just split in half. Chop your green onion and set it aside for now. We're going to cut our zucchini up into strips. And slice our pepper into strips as well. We'll get a small container or bowl and make our cooking sauce. Mix up the sake, the soy, and the chili sauce. Heat up a pan with our sesame and our olive oil until it shimmers. We'll get a nice sear on our king oyster mushrooms. Then we'll add our shiitake and finally our blewits. We'll toss in our beef and saute until it's cooked through. We'll add our cooking sauce intermittently and then season with garlic salt. Remove your beef and mushrooms from the pan, but keep the juices in there. Saute your vegetables in the juices from the mushrooms. We'll chop our bacon strip into bits. We'll fry our eggs up and season those with the shimchi togarashi, or Japanese 7 spice. Add your rice to the bowl, top with the stir fry. Top your stir fry with your fried egg, your bacon bits, and garnish with some greens, then serve. And there you have it, a delicious stir fry featuring some wood blewits. Enjoy!